The Showmen's League of America was started in 1913 and established its Hall of Honor in 2004. This year, RonHeftman becomes the 31st member of this prestigious group. Ronald Neil Heftman was born on January 9, 1945 in Chicago, Illinois. He was the first child of Pearl and Harry Heftman. Shortly after Ron's birth, Harry started in the restaurant business on Clark Street and called it Ronald's. In 1955, he found a new location at 300 West Randolph and opened the Little Snack Shop, later called Harry's Hot Dogs. The Showmen's League of America bought that four-story building shortly after Harry opened up on the ground floor. That began a 6-decade-long relationship between the Heftmans and the League. Ron grew up on the northwest side of Chicago, attending Hibbard School until 1956, when the family moved to the suburbs. He graduated from Niles West High School in 1963. Ron worked in the restaurant over summer vacations and got to know some of the members of the League, including the League's secretary, Hank Shelby. Hank took an early interest in Ron and is remembered as a good friend. Ron enrolled at Washington University in St. Louis and graduated 4 years later with a degree in business administration, majoring in accounting. He liked business law courses and decided to apply for law school. He was accepted to Northwestern University and graduated in January 1971. He married Ronna 3 months later. He began practicing with a criminal defense and general litigation firm. Over time, he developed a real estate and corporate practice and was a partner in 3 law firms before starting his own practice in 1999. Ronna and Ron have now been married for 42 years. They have 2 children, Jeff and Larry. Both are practicing attorneys in Chicago. They have 4 grandchildren, Nathan, Noah, Dahlia, and Benjamin. Ron's hobbies include woodworking, sports cars, reading, and maintaining land that he and Ronna own in rural Wisconsin. Their family loves attending Chicago Bear games, and they spend as much time as possible with their grandchildren. In June of this year, after 41 years, Ron retired from the day-to-day practice of law. He continues to handle matters for clients who simply can't believe he has retired. Ron became a member of the Showmen's League shortly after graduating from law school and began attending meetings with his father. Morris Haft, an accomplished attorney, was counsel then. Ron admired how he looked after the interests of the League. Those were the days of weekly meetings accompanied by dinners and poker games. When Noble Case became secretary, he and Ron became very close friends. Ron says that Hank Shelby, Noble Case, Bill Knight, and of course his father, Harry, were all instrumental in his involvement with the Showmen's League. Ron was named counsel when Morris Haft suddenly died in 1985. As league counsel, Ron went to court to contest tickets for overflowing dumpsters, contested probate estates, provided guidance on matters relating to the Constitution and bylaws, and gave general counsel to the Secretary and the President. The most challenging matter Ron handled arose from a fire that gutted the building in 2001. He negotiated a settlement with the insurance company that gave partial recovery of the damages, and then sued the sign company for losses not covered by the insurance. The building was completely repaired, and Ron was instrumental in helping the League sell its longtime building and find its current headquarters. Later, trademark litigation was a very memorable case during the difficult period for the League, but the court affirmed the League's exclusive rights to its elephant and banner trademark. Ron has watched the League go through many changes over the years and emerge even stronger. He says the League is an organization that is a very important part to its members' lives. Ron says, I've had the opportunity to get to know a wonderful group of people. Ronald Neil Heftman, now a member of the Showman's League of America Hall of Honor.